Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning and welcome. It's Nurse Richard, the Wax Wizard. Thanks for that, Snoop. Checks in the post. I'll call you later. You've never seen any of my videos before. You're wondering why, what's he on about? Why is Snoop Dogg there and what's he talking about wax babies for? I haven't said it for a while, to be honest, and I must get into the habit of saying it again because I do get asked in a lot of the comments whenever I pull a big one out. I think it all started when I think I pulled a really big one out in one of the videos, and I said it was like akin to labour. You know, the ear canal was dilating. I know it's not akin to labour, ladies, so don't shout at me for that. I didn't mean it. And I said and then someone in the comments, I forget who it was now, I said it's like you've delivered a wax baby. And so ever since then, occasionally, and like I said, I've forgotten to do it recently, I used to say that's another wax baby safely delivered. So that's what Snoop's on about. If you're wondering what on earth he's going on about. Right, let me tell you about this here, because you've got to stick with this, because the payoff at the end of this one is sensational, and I don't say that lightly. It's not what you're expecting, it really isn't, and the visuals do get better than this. Now this was a lady, I want to say maybe in her 20s, maybe early 30s, who called me up. It was in fact this morning. It was that desperate, and I managed to squeeze her in. This is always the case, this, when you take on an emergency one who gets really desperate. It turns out to be one of the most difficult ones of the week. But I'm glad I saw her, because it was a challenge. And what she'd done, you can probably already see on the outer part of the ear, just kind of on the bottom left there, a bit red. And her history was she used to get this done every 6 months. She used to live in Hong Kong, and as a matter of course she used to get it done every 6 months because it became a terrible problem if she didn't. However, that was 4 years ago. She'd not did it in the last 4 years since moving to the UK. She hadn't found anybody suitable enough to do it. Thankfully she found me, but it got to a point where she said, I need it doing desperately, can't hear a thing, obviously why. And she bought one of those ear cameras that you attach to a mobile phone, and it's got a little scoop on the end of it, a little rubbery scoop. Absolutely lethal. I don't recommend anybody uses them. You'll have all seen them advertised on the internet. If not, go and look them up. And I do get sent these quite a lot.